I want to wish the children who are going to PLE a very good successful PLE exam period and the teachers. Basomesa mwanyala kusomesa abana, school management mwanyala ni basali mwanyala. We are a team of people that work under school. Then the Kulomba said, children, are you hearing? Are you listening? Yes. The exam that you're going to do during the PLE, the teachers are ready. You're going to pass. Let's clap our hands. Don't you panic. Remain calm and answer the questions you've been asked the way the teachers taught you. You're going to pass. Because Loyowa EC is for winners. Loyowa Primary School is for what? It's for winners.
That is welcome to Lesotho. Mlebenal. Mlibalai. Sasa hivi wanyoto mtende. Big sister. Wewe pale site. Anakusima baba mzee mkatakona. Yes. Baba mzee mkatakona oye. Jaja oye. Oye. Mzee yakubili sima angolobe. Atuneze bakeseko. Bawika twebani kadini basali. Bakuse benyaza kola yone. Balombera musube bulayi. Kole kisamu katadamu na vita. You're going to pass. Because you have had good teachers. You have had a good learning environment. You have good leaders who care about you. So we want to wish you well. Don't panic. P7 oye. The exams you are going to do is what you have been taught. Yes. So don't panic. Everything you have the answers. And the parents, I want to thank you for supporting the children. Mwanya nakasula school fees, uniform, bitabo, ate mwaza talero kwalombera abaana baze bakole exam bulayi. So nakubalekera program na de mamangu nengana kubeni sala ndambira sisi ngana kusabiremo. Just na abaana ni sala because we've done our part.